Hello, welcome to High Tech Garage. In this video, I introduce how to convert from FAT32 to NTFS without data loss. With this method, use a single command to execute and do not need any other software. Here I have a partition that is being formatted as FAT32. As we can see, file system FAT32. Okay. Now we open a command window with administrative rights. We type cmd, right click, run as administrator. Yes. And we'll use this command. We'll change the letter X by the letter that we have in our partition. In this case, it's the letter F. Copy and paste. Okay, Windows asks us for the name of the label of our volume. So we'll find it here. That's the volume label. Copy. And paste. We type enter. Okay. Partitions are quickly formatted to NTFS without losing any data. We can verify. Right click, properties. And this is our new file system, NTFS. And we still have our file. That's it. Thank you for watching.